Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to put video into a shape in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template to create a design. I will use presentation. And then a presentation design page is created. Then we can go to elements and go to find the frame. Actually, we have the shape, but in Canva, we don't use the shape to put video into. So we can find frames. I click it, and then we can find the basic shape, the frame and photo and device. We can use it for putting the video inside. In this tutorial, I will use basic shape. We can click CO to choose the basic shapes. I will use circle. Next, we can adjust the size, we can adjust the position, and then we can import the video. We can go to File folder, and then drag and drop the video into Canva to import the video. Next, we can click and drag into the frame. So if you want to preview it, we can go to bottom right corner. We can find Present Full Screen button. Click it to preview it. So this is how we can put a video into a shape in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.